This workshop is the do-along version of Lesson 6.1. You will start with a fresh laptop, clone the SUI-PALS monorepo, and finish with a live DevNet deployment that anyone can hit from a browser. If you've never installed the SUI CLI or Rust, budget 5 minutes. The script auto-installs exact versions to match CI. We'll walk through local net smoke tests, faster than unit tests because they cover full transaction paths. Next, you run /scripts/deploy.shdevnet. Watch Slack light up with a green check. Then you swap .env.dev in the React frontend, rebuild, and serve. Faucet yourself, 50 SUI, claim a badge, list it, buy it from a second wallet. Verify fees land in Treasury. Once happy, you approve a testnet promotion. CI posts the new package. Finally, for those who brought a ledger, we'll dry run the mainnet publish. Sign offline, but not broadcast. By the end, you'll have muscle memory for the entire pipeline, from code commit to user clicking buy. Bootstrap installs exact versions so proofs and bytecode match auditors' hashes. The script also fetches the WASM ZK login prover, Node.js v20 LTS for the front end, and the Solana toolchain in case you bridge later. It ends by printing checkmark ready plus CLI version. If you see a red YAS, fix before proceeding. Mismatched compiler can desync bytecode hashes and break upgrade cap compatibility. SUI start bootstraps 4 validators, faucet, and an object explorer. Cargo Watch reruns the full move unit plus scenario suite every save. Ideal for live coding bug fixes. Look for 224 tests passed in under 25 seconds. Open HTTP Schunards 0.0.0.0:3000 and you'll already see supply singleton, bridge vault, DAO objects. Proof your local chain is consistent with tests. The script compiles, proves, publishes, and posts to Slack. Watch gas summary. List approximately 2,400 units. Buy approximately 3,800 units. Nothing scary. Artifacts/devnet.env now holds immutable IDs the front end requires. Copy this file to frontend/.env.local. The React app bootstraps Vite plus Tailwind plus WAGMI. Because package IDs are now environment variables, no code changes needed. Visit localhost 5173. The navbar shows connected to DevNet. Package 0x123. Claim your badge, refer a friend. Watch points update in real-time. CI later runs this canary every hour, but run it once manually. It spawns 3 FM wallets, triggers all major contract paths, and exits with code 0 only if every assert passes. Open Slack number dev-canary. You'll see checkmark canary pass message with transaction digests. A red means breakage before real users feel pain. This GitHub CLI command triggers a protected workflow. It grabs the stored pkg.b64 from the build artifact, swaps the env file to testnet RPC, dries run, and, if gas within 20% of DevNet, publishes. An org maintainer must hit approve in the GitHub UI first. When done, bot posts testnet package ID to Discord #sign beta testers so external QA can pound on it. Visit grafana.dev.suipals.io. Select testnet data source. Within 2 minutes, you should see DAO bridge referral event counters increment. If panels stay gray, indexer env file likely misset. Remove maintenance label to turn alerts back on. This step is optional during the lab, but mandatory on launch day. Dry run builds the exact TX, including bytecode hash and gas budget, but does not broadcast. Review object summary. 100% reproducible. Sign on your ledger, produce a .bcs, hash it, and add the digest to artifacts/mainnet.sig so auditors can prove the file you eventually broadcast matches the one reviewed. In 90 minutes, you touched every layer. contract code, CLI, CI, front end, observability, and cold signing. Most teams stumble because half this work hides in someone's laptop bash history. You now have a living repo where every step is codified. Take the homework. Tweak multiplier table defaults. Run full pipeline. Open a testnet bounty for community testers. When feedback is green, merge to main. Have the DIO approve upgrade cap. Sign mainnet. And you'll have shipped a full Web3 growth suite without breaking a sweat.